What's up everybody, it's Quentin B. Smith with the Millennials to Millionaires. In today's video, I'm gonna show you undeniable proof that you need to sell your stock immediately. So if you don't wanna lose money, make sure you watch this video. Alright guys, before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now. In this channel, we show millennials how to invest. My name is Quentin B. Smith, and I've made over 6 figures investing. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the undeniable proof that your stock is going down and that you need to sell like immediately. So when you head to Robinhood, you're going to see that you get a limited amount of information. You get this line that shows you what your stock is doing, but you don't really get a lot of information or any information on when you should be selling this thing. Like, if you had it right here, you'd be pretty salty if it dropped all the way back down. So what you need to do is go to tradingview.com. It's a website that gives you a lot more information about your particular stock. If you don't have TradingView, click the link in the description. There's a TradingView link there. It'll take you right to it. So check this out. When you get to TradingView, I typed in FB for Facebook. If it's not already on Facebook, type in FB right here. This chart's gonna look like this one, right? It kind of went up today and came back down and mellowed out. Kind of went up today, came down, mellowed out, okay? Now, when I say you're gonna get a lot more information on TradingView, I'm talking about a lot more information, right? I have mine on a 15-minute chart, so you can see already we're getting more information than just the day. We can go down to 15 minutes. We go down to 30 minutes, go down to 1 minute and see what's happening every single minute of the day. You're gonna know what your stock is doing. Now, this is what you call a line chart, where you just have a line and it just moves. You can't see anything on a line chart. So what you need to do is click this button right here, click this drop down, and make sure you click on candles. The candles give you all the details. These candles tell you what the price is about to do. That's how you know when you're about to sell. But I'm not here to talk about candles today, all right? The link to those videos in the advanced course, click the link in the description. So here's the thing about the candles. Green is good, red is bad, okay? Now you may be thinking, well, that's cool to see past prices. How do you know what's about to come next? Well, let me show you this one thing, and this changes everything. This changes everything for you, okay? This button at the top is called indicators. You know what an indicator does? It indicates what the price is about to do. This is when you go from not knowing what you're doing to knowing what you're doing. Now, you may not have your favorite setup, so go down to built-ins and you can see how many indicators there are. If you want to know what a stock price is about to do, just choose any one of these. But today we're going to choose the Relative Strength Index. We call it RSI for short, because that's way too many words. The RSI works on a scale, and I'm going to try to make this a little larger so that you can stay with me. So listen, the RSI works on a scale of 0 to 100. The area in the white on the bottom from 0 to 30 is what we call undersold. It means that not enough people are owning the stock right now, so it'd be a good time to buy it, and it should go up. All right. The area above 70 to 100 is oversold. Too many people have it and it's coming down. Now, just so that you know that this thing works, check this out. When this purple line goes up into above 70 and it gets into this, oh my gosh, too many people have this stock zone, the stock comes down. So if you line this up, as soon as it went up into too high into the white zone, it started to come down. Right? And it's going to come down for a while. Now, just so that you know that this thing doesn't lie, let's zoom out a little bit. When it starts getting high, it starts to come down. When it gets too far to the bottom, it's got to go up. And I think about it this way. There's a ceiling up here at 100, and there's a ceiling down here at 30. Anything that hits there's a floor down at the 30. Anything that hits the floor is going to bounce, right? So you can see when it got down here close to the 30, it bounced right back up, which is how you know when you need to buy it. It's going to bounce. Buy it. When it gets too close to the top, you know you need to sell this thing. Get out of it. Get out of it. And here's the beautiful part. We talked about before that you the rule number one with stocks is buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. And repeat. Okay? We're gonna do this for the rest of our lives. Buy low and sell high. So a perfect example of this, I'm gonna zoom out a little bit more, just so we can have a few examples of buying low and selling high over time. So this is the 12th. You can see the 12 at the bottom. This is the 12th of the month, and it goes all the way to the 23rd. Today's the 23rd. So on the 12th, if we saw that this purple line was getting close to the bottom, we probably want to keep an eye on it. It's probably a good time to buy. You can buy right here. And we know, hey, the price is going to go to the top near the ceiling, and I'm going to sell. So you would have sold right here, right? Then, over time, I can't say that these are good areas. It's kind of like no man's land, but it starts to get towards the bottom right here. On the 17th, you can say, okay, it's pretty low. Let me buy it. And then what happened? It went up. It went way up. You would have made a lot of money here. And then you would just watch the RSI and say, oh crap, it's getting close to the, above the 70. I need to get out of this. And you would have sold, right? Selling doesn't always mean that it's going to go down per se, but it does. Selling at the top of the RSI doesn't mean it's going to go down, but it does suggest that it's not going to go up anymore. So that's how you know when to sell. Now, so you can see this one didn't go all the way back down to the bottom. It hit the top again. And then eventually it went back down, which indicated, hey man, look, it gave you 3 signs. You should probably buy here, here, or here. You had 3 chances to get this at a good price. Facebook is on sale, all right? And so if you bought anywhere here, 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 or even here, when it decided to go back up, when Facebook decided to go back up, you would have made money all the way to the top. You see what I'm saying? And this is definitely outside of above 70, which is just an indication to sell. So during this day, if you look at the bottom, I'm trying to look for the 22nd through the 23rd. We looked at this chart a few minutes ago on Robinhood, showing just a line going up and down. Doesn't this look exactly like what we see on Robinhood? Except now you know when to sell. So if you click right here, if you bought right here, you would have said, hey man, it's pretty low. I'm going to buy right here. And you would have known, I need to sell right here. This is as high as it's going to get. So hopefully this video helped you. It's just a short introduction to indicators and how to know when to sell, when to buy and when to sell. Now you know to buy low and sell high and repeat. Buy low, sell high, repeat. That's it. It's very simple. Now, I showed you like all of these indicators. Now I'm going to show you how we play. These are some of the things that are in the advanced course. I have my favorite setup. So I'll show you a couple things. Bollinger Bands, and we talked about volume. I'll show you volume before I go. So check this out. Volume is these bars down here. We talked about average volume. You want to buy, you want to trade your stocks when there's a lot of volume. With the volume indicator, it shows you when there's the most volume. So when these spikes are high right here, these are good times to be trading. Not times at night down here. Like there aren't a lot of people playing the game. You want to be trading right here and right here and right here and right here. And indicators will tell you when you should be trading so that you're not wasting your time. Secondly, this green cloud thing that I have around my candles show me how high the price can go, as well as the RSI. So in the advanced course, we show you, hey, it has to stay inside this green cloud. It can't go out of it. It can't go out of it. And even when it does right here, it goes back inside. So you know exactly where the price is about to go. You know that the price isn't going to go up here or down here. Helping you make safe bets, helping you place safe buys, and so that you know you're not going to lose all of your money. Now, hopefully this video helped you. You learned when to buy, when to sell, how to use indicators like RSI to tell you when to do those things. And if it helped you, you definitely want to get our advanced course. The link is in the description. It goes in depth on multiple indicators to make sure that you know when to buy and sell. If you thought RSI is amazing, this is going to blow your mind. So make sure you check that out. In the meantime, follow us on all social networks at M2 Millionaires. Like this video if you like it. Comment if you have any questions. We're really good at getting to those. And turn on your post notifications, subscribe, turn on post notifications so that you get all of these videos first. My name is Quentin B. Smith. Follow me at Quentin B. Smith. If you have any questions, shoot me a message. And until next time, peace.